Hey, this is Jaffar, founder of SuperShell Games Pvt Ltd. With over 10 years of experience developing games using Unity, I have created games for Android, iOS, web, and even Steam. Now I am here to help you start your game development journey with my academy program Learn and Earn. So, what exactly is Learn and Earn? It's a career building program designed for everyone. Whether you are a beginner with no coding experience or a student currently pursuing a degree in computer science, engineering, or IT. Here you can choose your path either as a game designer or game developer. I will personally guide you step by step.
Let's be honest, most students in college learn too many things at once: C, C, Java, Python, database, networking, Photoshop, 2D, 3D, and many more. And by the end, they are master of none. And when it's time to get a job, they struggle because companies are looking for one strong skill that you have mastered. That's where Learn and Earn comes in. In this program, we focus only on game development. You pick one role, developer or designer, and we build your skill 100% in that direction. No distraction, just pure hand-on learning with real-world project and guidance from industrial expert. And what if you are facing financial issue? No problem, you can publish the game on any store to earn. We will help you publish your game and even you can start freelancing.
At the end, you will be fully ready to crack high-paying job in game industry. And you can also start as a freelancer or an indie developer. Join the program and start your journey as game developer or game designer. I am here to help you out build your dream world.